Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. Now, in this one, we have a lot of juicy things to talk about, so this might be a bit of a longer video, maybe 8 to 10 minutes, as we have a lot of massive messages from the richest family in the world talking about XRP, and that is Nathaniel C.J. Rothschild. So we have his latest tweets, and this one is "It takes years, then happens all at once," right? We have the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit happening for 5 years. It is still going on, even though it is secretly over. Guys, everything is all pre-planned. But once we have the official announcement of the Ripple versus SEC case being done, everything will finally come into place, which is XRP being used by the new financial system. So, guys, everything will happen all at once, as everything has been building up behind the scenes for a very long time. We are going to the grand finale, and that's when everything happens all at once. Now, we can see from Nathaniel C.J. Rothschild as well, exact same day, March 16, 2025, we have overnight. We see something overnight as set by Mr. Poole and the XRP insiders, and we have yet another new tweet, and this one is, if you have old tweet screenshots from my account from 2018 to 2023, please post them all below. And we have a couple of them taking a look at all of the big ones. We have when the bottom is in, many exchanges are closed, or the spread is so massive that you will miss the opportunity to buy cheap XRP. They are against retail. Screenshot this. So according to the Mr. Poole tweet of a chart, we have the price of XRP going parabolic, and then a flash crash, and then a God candle happening right after. So could the Rothschilds be talking about that moment for XRP, the God candle for XRP? And keep in mind, guys, again, they are one of the richest families in the world, and they're talking about XRP. So even more connections happening with XRP and the 1%. And we have this as well. You will all be forced to use XRP, direct or indirect. We have the payment systems globally using XRP, and we have retail investors using the payment systems, which means they will be using XRP without even knowing it. And these tweets were all the way back in 2021. Most of you are still going about life, business, investing, and retirement planning. As if nothing unusual has happened to our financial system, if few seem to realize the repercussions of the 11 trillion that's been pumped into the US financial system in the past 18 months, guys. The 1% are just printing money and injecting into the stock market, which means eventually we will see the markets collapsing. This is one big bubble. And I started to notice these patterns before big crashes, guys. Whenever we see volatility, a lot of volatility with the stable coins, this is a big indication of a market crash incoming, as the crypto market is backed up by the stable coins. So if the stable coins lose their peg, we will see the entire market going down. We will see Tether nuking the entire crypto market. We have XRP holders accumulating like crazy. Price must go up soon. And we have people can issue an XRP-backed stablecoin that allows the banks to put millions into XRP, settle with it, guarantee that's worth what they paid for. So we have the banks using XRP through the RLUSD. We also have an XRP-backed stablecoin potentially coming as well. And we have the RLUSD using XRP as gas as a settlement asset, and it is convertible on Ledger instantly to the amount of XRP required, and everybody wins. You get a liquid asset and a stablecoin. Guys, we have XRP acting as liquidity for trade of different assets. It doesn't get any bigger than that. We have XRP as the world reserve bridge currency. We have more tweets. You guys can pause the video and take a look. Most or nearly all Tether are traded on Binance. At CZ Binance, pay attention, guys. We have the Binance exchange manipulating the entire crypto market. These guys are essentially making a ton of money through manipulating the markets, insider trading, and we have all the way back in 2022, breaking Bank of Russia will test international settlements in cryptocurrency with companies. And in the central bank documentation, we have the Central Bank of Russia talking about mentioning XRP and the XRP ledger. So very likely with the Bank of Russia working with Ripple all the way back in 2022, we had the Bank of Russia using XRP. Nathaniel Rothschild is also bullish on both gold and silver. We have back in 2020, June 4th. History teaches that the transition to a new global reserve currency may not go smoothly. The lesson for investors is that to protect themselves from the massive financial shock of a US dollar collapse, they should own physical gold, silver, and XRP. Keep in mind, guys, that the richest family isn't talking about Bitcoin, but holding XRP. Bitcoin is a distraction from physical gold, silver, and XRP, guys. Do not fall for this trap. And for me, physical silver max is worth $600. Could we see a $600 silver price and gold going to $10,000? We have don't sell silver for less than 100, 150 to 600 per ounce for physical silver. And did you know XRP Ledger was created because Bitcoin technology remains crap? And we have Nathaniel responding to Kevin O'Leary. O'Leary says, the future of Bitcoin mining is sustainable, clean energy, period. And Nathaniel responds, dude, just put it on the XRP Ledger. We have Bitcoin, energy, everything on top of the XRP Ledger tokenized. We have the XRP holding strategy as well, which is having a separate income. 2, invest only what you don't need for expenses. 3, buy the dips. And 4, don't trade. 5, never sell. And 6, wait. Guys, these are very easy steps. Buy the dips and just hold your XRP until we see XRP exploding, until all the manipulation is done. And if the US dollar loses its reserve status and depreciates significantly, it will have a devastating impact on the finances of those countries that hold those reserves, as well as on private sector holders of dollar-denominated debt assets, right? So the collapse of the USD, guys, affects everyone globally. We do not want the US dollar to collapse. But based on everything going on, a reset is needed, and we should see the collapse of the USD and a new US dollar coming in, a new US digital dollar, such as the RLUSD, the real USD. I'm currently 80% back in XRP, 20% fresh powder to buy at possible 25 cents. Longer term, I'm looking at $7 to $13 XRP. This was back in 2023. We have Nathaniel Rothschild talking about a double-digit XRP. Again, we have the Nathaniel Rothschild talking about silver, gold, and XRP. Don't sell silver for less than $100. Don't sell your XRP below $150. We have the highest 1% member telling us of a 3-digit XRP. And we have our portfolio allocation, according to Rothschild, it should be 33% in silver, gold, and XRP. And within that, we have split 40% into silver, 40% into XRP, and 20% into gold, as we have silver having much of a higher upside compared to gold. So we should put more money into silver compared to gold, but gold is also a very safe investment. And we have 33% in land and real estate, 14% into art, and 20% into cash. Guys, in my opinion, this is a great way to allocate your money, not financial advice. And the world is in completely crazy change mode right now. Buy physical silver, gold, and XRP worth at least 33% of your net worth. We have the 33 number, and they want you to get rid of silver, they want you to get rid of gold, and they want you to get rid of XRP. Do you understand? The 1% don't want us getting rich. They want all of the most valuable resources on earth, which again is silver, gold, and XRP. And the whole point is to topple USD as the world's reserve currency without destroying anything. A smooth transition to a new digital monetary system will be great. A fair playing field, but who knows? Evil is on earth right now. What we want is TradFi, the traditional system, on top of blockchain, on top of DeFi, which is, for example, the XRP Ledger. We have the collision of two worlds. We have TradFi and DeFi. We have a mention of a $10,000 gold for a gold-backed monetary system. Gold must be $10,000 per ounce. We have the gold standard coming back. And as Brad Garling also said, we also have Nathaniel saying the exact same thing. 99.99% of all crypto coins are scams. So guys, please be careful. Invest into XRP. We have JP Morgan will be the reason. Silver will be in triple quad digits. Let that sink in. We had JP Morgan manipulating the prices of gold and silver for decades. And we could see, guys, we're looking very bullish for silver. We have silver reaching a bottom at $16. And right now, ever since this chart, we have now silver hitting $33. Guys, the bottom is in. And that was the best time to buy silver at $16 all the way back in, I believe we can see, 2018. The storm is building as the government continues to try and print their way to prosperity. They will continue with this crazy spending until the wheels fall off and you're left holding a bag. Guys, the entire monetary system is just a Ponzi scheme and eventually it will collapse. But this time, we could see a bail-in happening instead. The banks stealing your money. Guys, again, as we said, we are expecting crazy macro events to happen. You guys can pause the video and take a look at the rest. It is about gold, XRP, the Interledger protocol, and so on. All big stuff. Guys, a lot of messages from the 1%. And unfortunately, a lot of people don't know that all of this is happening. They don't know that XRP is essentially the only way to achieve the American dream, to achieve financial success, unless you get lucky with meme coins or another crypto. And lastly, the best plan is to make a peace economic agreement. The U.S. should declare the Federal Reserve bankrupt and create new U.S. Treasury dollars. This was also stated by the U.S. debt clock as well. Under the new system of interchangeable currencies, fixing the value of currencies at one fixed price. This was all the way back in 2019. And now, fast forward to 2025, a currency war is happening as we speak. We have the Great Debt Reset happening. Guys, these are just absolutely insane messages. And again, buy gold, XRP, and silver. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.